Hello everyone, let's talk about Scrum events. Events. Why an event is needed? An event is required to make sure that we are aligned and meeting timelines. For example, what will happen if you don't get a timetable for your examination in every semester of your university? People will never prepare. Or I will give you one more example. When I was preparing for a full marathon in 2019, that is to run 42 kilometers, I also prepared a timetable with certain events. And these events are proposed by my trainer. We had a 4-month plan. Every month, that includes 4 weeks, that has specific events. For example, every week, how much I have to run, that is being decided. On what days I have to run, that was decided. And what I have to eat, that was decided as well. At the end of every day, I used to WhatsApp how much I achieved, what I ate, and is there any problem. At the end of every month, we used to have one-to-one, and then my trainer used to tell me what to course correct. So it essentially means we have a complete schedule with events on every single day to be followed, so that at the end of 4 months I am well prepared for my full marathon. So now let's see what are the various events defined by Scrum Guide in order to ensure that when you are building a solution or product using Scrum, you are able to achieve your goals. As per Scrum Guide, there are 5 events that a team need to perform. The first event is called sprint. Sprint is that duration in which the team operates. The second is sprint planning, which means what need to be done in that specific sprint need to be planned. So in my own example of running, 1 month is a sprint. Sprint planning is what my trainer told me to do for this entire month. And that is being decided at the beginning of this 1 month. Then the daily scrum that helps the team to discuss what they are doing, if there are any impediments that need to be removed. And this is more like the WhatsApp message in my own example that I was doing with my trainer. Review session, that means that you have to demonstrate what you have built, and retrospective, to look back and course correct. As we discussed also previously, inspection and adaptation are the key pillar of Scrum. We will now discuss all these events in detail. But before that, for every event, 3 things need to be understood. The first one is the purpose. Why you need that event. Because if you understood why, you can get away with any how. Second, who will be the participant? Who can participate? Who need to participate and who may participate? And third, and the most important one, time boxing, which means what should be the maximum duration or what is the recommended duration for that specific event. So now let's move on to our first event.